Good day, I am Christine Suman and I will be reporting the objectives and overview of WordPress. So by the end of this lesson, learners should have a solid understanding of what WordPress is meant to do and how it can be used. They will know why people use WordPress, particularly as a platform for building and managing websites. Learners will also gain hands-on knowledge of how to create and publish different types of site content, such as blog posts or website pages. In addition, they'll become also familiar with basic tools and plugins that reveal important site data, things like how many people visit, how often they come, and which pages are most popular. And lastly, they will understand how to check website traffic using simple WordPress features or add-on tools, giving them a useful introduction to monitoring a site's performance. For the overview of WordPress, WordPress is a widely used system that helps you build and manage a website without needing to code manually. You can think of it like a workspace where you control your site's performance, structure, appearance, and content in an organized, user friendly way, much like editing a document but for the entire website. But there are two versions of WordPress. We have WordPress.org and WordPress.com. So for the WordPress.org, this version is the downloadable software. You install it on your cell phone, PC, or on a web host of your choice, giving you a full control over customization, plugins, design, and how your site works behind the scenes. And for the WordPress.com, this is a hosted service built around the WordPress platform. Instead of installing anything yourself, you create an account and start building your site right away. They handle the technical setup, making it convenient for users who want simple, ready-made environment to launch a website.
Today, I'll be discussing setting up a WordPress account. Think of this as your quick start guide to getting your website up and running. So here are the basic steps. So as shown in the slide, first, you'll need to download the WordPress application to your device. Second is open the app and sign in or create an account. You can use your email, Google account, or Apple ID. Third is create your first site. So this is where you start building your online presence. Fourth is choose a name for your site, so pick something catchy and relevant. Fifth is your site is created, so congrats, you have a site. So next is choose a theme and customize, so make it look good and match your styles. And lastly, add pages and content. You can start posting your awesome content. So next slide is all about the advantages and disadvantages. So the advantages is it is beginner friendly, so it is easy to use. Next is you fully own your site, so you control your site, and the SEO friendly, it helps with search ranking and a strong global community, so it has a lots of support. And lastly, we'll talk about the disadvantages. So sometimes it can be slow, so it needs optimization, so it has a security risk, so it requires maintenance. The advanced coding is needed for complex changes, and lastly, regular maintenance, so it keeps everything updated. And that's all.
The pricing section can be misleading because WordPress itself is free. These prices represent managed web hosting, the recurring cost to keep the site online and running fast. The different tiers from the basic 49 pesos to 334 pesos reflect resources. It means more money buys better speed, storage, and customer support, allowing the site to handle more traffic. And in the target market slide, it tells us exactly who benefits WordPress power. It is great for bloggers because it is a native content management system, and it is essential for e-commerce who needs a customizable, scalable solution that they can grow with, adding features without being blocked by a platform's limitation. And it is perfect for freelancers, creatives, because they can use it to build any client concept they can imagine.